Hello everyone, this is Thomas Gay, co-founder of SNG AI Lab, and I just want to share with you all another amazing technology agentic framework I've been working on. And what you see here is what I call AeroForge. AeroForge is a digital twin for drone design. Think about it. I was able to develop an entire platform that allow individuals and even possibly the military to design all sort of drone, okay? And so this is a platform that's only going to evolve over time. And so I'm really excited to show you all the capability of this platform, okay? So on the far left here, you'll see where I call the Wingman Intelligent Layer. And the Wingman Intelligent Layer allow you to control the different design spec and even have a way to talk to an expert, okay? You have the ability to talk as a ELI5, what I call it, explain to me like a 5-year-old or intermediary, or have an expert level to explain things to you in different design concept, okay? And so on the far bottom on the sidebar here, you can see design spec. This is where you can design your different drone, and then here you got your simulation where you can run simulations to see the different stress level of the drone. And then here you have your camera setting where you can set, like say in this case we want to have an orbit of the drone, and you can see I can set the lens of the camera, I can say wide, right, and cinematic. And then so now that setting is all set, you can see intent safe. And then here you got the camera cinematic scene you can set up here, and you'll see what I mean by that. And then also you have a way to save a library that's being developed. And then the educational component where we're using a RAG retrieval, where we have a entire module set up for designing all type of drones. So think about it, the ability to do what I call a RAG retrieval system allow the AI to read up to over 10,000 books on drone design and be able to educate you on that spec, okay? This is what's so amazing about this technology. And so here at the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and run the simulation, and I want you all to see what happens. Here you can see the telemetry kind of show you all the different spec of what this technology can do of the drone we're designing. And then here we can now say, okay, let's go ahead and generate what this drone will look like, okay? And so now when we hit generate the design of the drone, we're gonna go ahead and generate this drone. And so you can see how quick and fast this drone design was put together, okay? And that was an image that was designed immediately. You saw that, right? Now the fun part is to bring this drone to life. So now we're gonna say ready for synthesis. Now the synthesis is gonna go ahead and design this and create an entire cinematic scene of this drone based on the camera setting we had set up, folks, okay? So this camera setting is what's going to be rendered. You don't have to do anything because that's already safe. This is an incredible platform you're looking at, a very sophisticated AI native drone design platform, and we're gonna be licensing this to even the military, okay? Like I was in the Navy, like I said, and so I was in the Navy, and I know military always looking for ways to design cutting-edge technology. Most folks don't know, but most of the technology was designed by the military, even including the internet, before it became a private sector for everybody to benefit from. So this is going to be another amazing treasure for whoever out there that may be interested in this technology. This is a digital twin to design drone, all sort of different type of military drone, including civilian drone. And so I can't wait to show you all how this video gonna look. Right now it's still being rendered, so give it a few minutes. The render does take a little while, and I call this platform AeroForge Studio, okay? Imagine a drone studio where you can design all sort of drone within the blink of an eye, okay? Folks, I'm not talking about going to Blender, trying to play around with different shaders, trying to drone put things together. You're going to be able to put together entire drone video and design within a very short time. I mean, incredible. This is how AI is taking over, folks. Okay, and so take a look at this. The video is done, and look at the video, guys. Take a look at this video, guys. This is incredible. Okay, we were able to design entire military drone with under less than 1 hour. Okay, and take a look at this render. Look at this. Look out. This is 8K resolution, guys. This is incredible. All right, and we're gonna be deploying this to the online to the cloud, and for folks to go ahead and play around with this amazing drone design platform. And there will be a way to even get certifications and training. And as you can see right here, you can talk directly to the professor, and then it's telling you about this drone design, the preview of this drone design, and telling you this hypothetical simulation, and tell you everything about this drone. And you have the way to be able to talk to the AI and learn everything about this drone design spec. Folks, this is incredible. Once again, Thomas Gay, co-founder SNG AI Lab, presenting to you all what I call AeroForge. AeroForge is an AI native drone design platform. Let me say that again. AI native drone design platform. No Blender, no Unity, all those expensive software where you have to go and learn all these things. AeroForge is so sophisticated, you can design drone with under 1 hour. Okay, and then we also working on hopefully partnering with manufacturers to be able to take the spec to the next level where you can see the hardware in development. Okay, once again, Thomas Gay, co-founder SNG AI Lab, presenting to you all AeroForge, and we're gonna be licensing this out. So quietly designing some of the most amazing technology in the lab. That's why I call it SNG AI Lab. We're designing all type of technology and AI native platform. And so stay tuned, guys. We're just getting started.